It's Throwback Thursday, and I'm really excited to share again this great recipe because it is fresh green bean season. I just got back from the garden picking my green beans, and this recipe is perfect. Hope you like it. I'm back in the kitchen to show you a very tasty and simple vegetable dish developed by our own Lindsay Singleton. Green beans with roasted red pepper. This dish proves that vegetables can be the star of the show, and bell peppers are absolutely packed with vitamin C as a bonus. My favorite thing about this recipe is that I learned to roast my own peppers. I've mentioned before that I'm no chef, and this is not the Food Network. Roasted peppers match my cooking skills perfectly because the object is to burn them. We'll get to the burning in just a few minutes. I've already placed my green beans in boiling water for 5 minutes, then dunked them in ice water to stop the cooking. Now for the pepper. There are a number of ways to do this. Grill or broiler, for instance. I'm going for the open gas flame on my stove. The idea is the same. Blister or char the skin so it will come off easily. So here we go. Now that we've burnt this up, what we need to do is put this into a bowl that we can seal and keep it there for about 10 minutes. And I read somewhere that you could also wrap it in a rag or put it in a paper bag. I seem to like this way a little bit better. So now we wait. So the pepper got to have some steam around it in this covered bowl. And now I take it out of the bowl and just start scraping off the burnt part with a spoon, and you could finish it up by putting it under running water. I'll cut it open and dump the seeds, and before you know it, gourmet roasted red bell peppers. You can do this ahead of time and keep roasted peppers or any kind of pepper in the fridge for a while. Now it's back to our recipe. From here, it's just a quick saute. We melt our margarine and add the green beans, the roasted red pepper, and the garlic, and saute for just about 3 minutes. Now just look at this. This is a wonderful addition to any meal, and it has me thinking that I'm going to start growing a lot more bell peppers this summer in my garden. 1 serving is 2 ounces, and each serving gives us 46 calories, 2.1 grams of fat, 6.2 grams of carbohydrate, 2.7 grams of fiber, and 160 milligrams of sodium. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to eat your veggies.